And over the years, the friendships you have built, the persons you get to know, yeah? And the satisfaction of knowing that, hey, I have done my best yesterday. It inspires you to keep going. But then it was harder. Technology then, for instance, we had to try to, the equipment wasn't one unit as it is today. Those of us that are still here back then, will make it our point of duty now. All the youngsters who come, we encourage them, and based on their responsiveness, we try and show them. We say, look here, don't stay here, sir. Try and move up. When Sir Howard was the meeting office, the day in question, it was an official ceremony to welcome in Sir Kenneth, and I think it was an OB shoot then, out by King's House. But I was the one who went up by the reception area, where the GG would receive guests. And while I was there shooting and all, Sir Howard stopped and looked at me and pointed to Sir Kenneth and said, see that young man? He's my friend. He's going to be your friend. Just do as he says at times, and you'll be all right. But they take good care of me, you know. They're my good friends. They're going to be your friends too. And since the meeting office, whenever, or wherever Sir Howard is, and if he sees me, he stops and come over. How are you, my friend? And everybody over, this is my friend. At the end of the day, the satisfaction you derive